Alright, creation code. So today on the Google Doodle was all about the guy who invented the seeing eye chart. And I saw code. I saw code and I said, I wonder why those letters were picked. I wonder why that orchestration was picked. Ever since I decoded chair to mean Ewoks, I really want to decode C-3PO because C-3PO and R2-D2 were picked for a reason. Everything is picked for a reason. So I loosely decoded zoo to mean MCF. I didn't show all my work. I'd have to do more of a fly spec math, like cellular math. But if I am able to prove that zoo equals MCF, understand the first page, and then shoot up to the 10 by 10, the really tiny letters, and decode that reversely, reverse engineer everything, like engineers in China, I am positive it will spell out his name. Okay? Because his name shows up on the columns on the left and the right going up. So if I'm able to show the cipher of that in cellular math, I think I'm able to prove my point. And if I'm able to take that information and create a seeing eye chart using my given name, I wonder what that means, guys. Anyways, all it means is that his name decodes into 2 characters over 10 iterations using cellular math that I used when I took the visual light spectrum, reverse backwards and flipped it, whatever, upside down backwards and flipped it, and portrayed what I believe to be the proper zodiac, depicting 4 red circles, 4 blue circles, and 8 black circles, depicting why you have a leap year every 4 years, showing you that we're altering between masculine energy and female energy every 4 years, and eventually I decoded the Garden of Eden and Eve and not Adam twice. Kind of like big deals here. So let's conclude with David Bowie, the man who sold the world. You know what that song's about, guy? That's about the man who sold free energy devices, cellular free energy devices. Because you're creating life, you're creating a world, you're creating a realm where the genesis one of that realm will be based off of your name. So I'll be creating a Kevin John Janik free energy device out of wood in Masham, Quebec, because Masham is equivalent to Mason when you break it down cellularly. So I really feel like I have a connection with Austin Mealy Meredith, and a connection with Jesus Christ, and a connection with cellular reality. And the man who sold the world is the depiction of someone who creates cellular free energy devices and sells them. So listen to that song again. Listen to David Bowie's Starman. Listen to a lot of David Bowie. Has a lot to do with stars, and I've liked a lot of music lately, and it's all because, to me, depicting creation, depicting free energy, depicting cellular mathematics, and Austin Lee Meredith, the I Am, or the Lamb of God. So I think that would be concrete proof. If I can reverse engineer the seeing eye chart cellularly, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And because I was wrong, you can't CNC machine this stuff out of aluminum, because aluminum is not magnetic. However, it is conductive. You're creating energy. That's probably a bad idea. So Jesus was a carpenter. He made shit out of wood. I'm a carpenter. I started when I was 14. 22 is the master number because it can be broken down into 2 11s. It can be broken down into a 5, a 12, and a 5, depicting L, because the V is the 22nd letter, 2 11s, and a 5, 12, 5 is also a depiction of a 22. When you break it down to cellular math and understand that you have to make the V with everything, you connect all the cells, all the fly specks, all the circled numbers are connected via 5s at the corners. So you have to break everything down cellularly to have E's that can attach. That's what's going on. Cheers.